Assalamualaikum my viewers, my foodies, welcome to Embroidery and Cooking. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Missi Roti. There are 1,000 ways you can make Missi Roti using different kinds of vegetables, but in this video I'm going to show you how to make it using only green vegetables. And here I have some green peas, some green chilies and some green fenugreek. So here I have taken about flour, and it's enough to make about 3 to 4 rotis, and the spices goes according to your taste. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of salt and 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder and almost half teaspoon of coriander. So I'm going to take my grinder jar and I'm going to add the green vegetable.